Hey guys, hopefully you're having a wonderful day, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you on how you could go ahead and change your location for the Facebook Marketplace. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. So as you could go ahead and see right now, I am currently using my Android device. So once inside, you want to go ahead and open up your Facebook application. And once inside your Facebook, there's actually multiple ways on how you could go ahead and open up the marketplace depending on the navigation tab that you have. So right now I have my marketplace up here, so I could just go ahead and click on it. And there's actually an alternative to this. Just go ahead and click on your profile, and once inside, you will be able to locate the marketplace. Just go ahead and click the marketplace right here, and once inside, you will be able to see the location right here, today's pick, and just beside that you will be able to see your very own location. So just go ahead and click on your location right here. Go ahead and click on allow to go ahead and let the Facebook know where you are. Go ahead and click allow while using, and you could just go ahead and adjust your location from here. So right now I have the custom radius of 16.2 miles. You could just go ahead and adjust this slider to make it wider, or you could just go ahead and turn it down to make things more in your place. So once you're done, just go ahead and click on apply, and that will go ahead and adjust the location for your Facebook Marketplace. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, please consider by liking and subscribing. I will make sure to see you again next time. Thank you.